starting this video record or this training. This is an online training as a partner with CompTIA CompTIA organization, and we are focusing on a particular course known as CompTIA Network Plus. The latest version, I titled it to be a chapter 1 because it's the beginning. So my company is minaz-abi online training. We trained, we use this platform to train people on any courses related to CompTIA courses. As a partner from Nigeria, I have my mentor, my lecturer as this regard. He has been impactful to us. His name is Dion. He's somebody that is friendly, associated, and ready to share his knowledge with the upcoming instructor. So he has actually impacted to my life in this webinar that we went through some weeks ago. This is my humble self. I remain myself as it will be Abiodun, IT coordinator. This is my email, and currently I'll be taking in Network Plus. Then in the first place, what do you understand by network? A network in terms of computer is a connection of interrelated devices that can communicate and share resources. Networks are essential in the modern communications because the it enables the sharing of information and resources, which as which such as files, printer, and internet connection, thereby enable productivities and connectivities. Now you can see the word computer network or networking. We have the opportunity to connect with interrelated devices, and they have some function and purpose why the connection has to be done. Number one is to share resources. What kind of resources? Folder, files, printer, scanner. So these are some of the resources they have to be shared in the process and to ensure connectivities. And meanwhile, for disseminating or sending a packet from one location to another. Moving to the second slide now, we'll be talking about types of networking. We have the local area network covering a small geographical area like single building or campus. So if I'm staying in a single building, for instance, and I want to connect, I have 10 systems in my building. So what I would do is for me to set up a local area network which can be used to send information from one system to another, but is not being connected to the internet. Why the area network just work as opposites is it span a large geographical area, often majorly I can call it a city, country in a quote or in the global world. So you are browsing right now, you connect to the internet. You are no longer working in local area network. You are working with what? Wide area network because it's a global connectivities. Now man is related to what? LAN. The combination of two or more LANs have actually connected or changed it to what? Man. So this one covers city or large campuses. For example, I can use Lagos State University. Go to Lagos State University, you can when you immediately enter into the campuses, you see network everywhere. Why? Because this is an example of my metropolitan area network. We have PAM, personal area network. We move our phone, our pad, every other things around. and we are still connected to the internet. You can WhatsApp, you can Facebook. So this example of PAN, personal area network. Moving further, I want to differentiate social network and then IT network. Now there are difference between social network and IT network in diverse area, but they are almost related. When you're talking about social network, it involves living souls, human being, association of people coming together to have a single objective. For instance, when I was in school, I have three friends. We come together, we read together, and we share ideas between ourselves. So that is an example of social network. Now the IT network, there is a gadget involved, which is computer or devices connecting together in order to share resources as well. You can see devices is what differentiates the IT network from what the social network. So this one is natural. Why this one involve what devices or artificial? Now from there we're talking about networking in terms of peer-to-peer and client to server. How related this as when you have a friend in the school, like you are a peer, maybe you are in the same class, you are in the same working mate, so you are a peer, so you are peering together. Related this to the computer term. So peer to peer means that you have you can share the info. Nobody is superior to anybody. So the same right you have, the privilege you have, the second one has it. So in layman language, it has it serve as the client and also serve as the server. So both of them is in a particular spot is in a single device. Now moving to client server. The client server related in human relationship. We have a boss and we have some people under him. So the boss happen to be the server because he has information to distribute to a group of people. Sometimes I was working in a particular organization as forklift operator, and it now happens that we have the a local, I mean, our manager. So our manager will come and address us, disseminate information to us, like 20 people like that. Then that is the information we are going to carry out for that particular day. So our manager serve as the server, while we, the workers that work under him, serve as what? The clients. So this is a clarity of it. A client server network is one which some node, such as PC, laptop, and smartphone, act mostly as a client. Peer-to-peer network is a peer-to-peer network in one which each host acts as both a client and what? As a server. So these are some of the text I have. It will not be clear right now. I will read it out for you to have a clear picture of what we are talking. For instance, which of these following network topology connects each network devices to a central transfer appliances? This is star topology. We are going to talk about it ahead. What is a network? You have explained a network is a connection of what? Of related devices in order to share resources. Now, why is it important? One, we need to transfer file for connectivity. Maybe you want to connect to the internet. So without being having a network, you cannot connect to the internet and you cannot send any information to anywhere. So these are some of them that is stated below. So we have you this one is also some of the questions we need to ask maybe in our next video. Thank you so much for joining us. Please try to subscribe. We love you. You're wonderful. You're welcome.